Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips. 3 years ago I made a video showing how to add a remote control to an older 1970s era garage door opener. I couldn't find a remote to that opener anywhere, so what I found is a $20 device that works quite well, and it works with any virtually any garage door opener that you can push a button to open. It'll turn that into a remote control garage door opener. It works quite well, and I thought after 3 years I'd give you an update, let you know how it's doing. This is the opener. Like I said, it's about a 1970s era Sears remote, or excuse me, Sears opener. And I lost the remote to it long ago, but the opener still works great. But so I bought this solid remote. It's basically a remote relay switch. You just put it across the terminals, the same terminals that your button that you push on the wall to open the garage door connect to, and it works really well. This is the remote. I don't know how clear that came out, but it's really easy to use. This opener still works great after 3 years, and to tell you the truth, I haven't had to change the battery in the remote. It's that good. Of course, it came with 2 remotes, so and I use them alternately. I don't use them the same one all the time, so that helps with the battery life. But still, 3 years is pretty good. Now I'm going to push the button and show you how it works. Just like any other remote for a garage door opener. Now I'm going to push the button again. And there you go. This little gem works like a charm. I'm going to see if I can get under here and show you the label on it. Well, that didn't work out too well. But anyway, if you want to see the original video that I made showing exactly how to hook this thing up, it's really simple. You just hook up if you have a portable power pack, like a little transformer thing that you have laying around, you can use that, or you can purchase one along with it when you order it from Amazon. It's really easy to hook up. The instructions are very clear, easy to connect, and if you need any help with it, you can send me a message or leave a note in the comments, and I'll see what I can do to help. But I don't think you need any help. It works great, costs about 20 bucks, and it's a great value. Don't throw that old garage door opener away, if it still works good, and just because you don't have a remote. Get one of these little things and you'll be all set. I'll leave a link to that original video down in the description, and I'll also leave a link to the opener, to the solid remote switch. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.